Hi guys, welcome to the Print Haven. My name is Enny, and in this video we're going to be reviewing one of the most luxurious Alex Varga boxes that we have ever personalized here as corporate gifts on the Print Haven. So stay tuned and I will jump into all of these products in front of me. We'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back to the Print Haven. My name is still Enny, and in this video we're going to be reviewing Alex Varga luxury box, right? This is a big one. So without further ado, I'm just quickly going to jump into the box. But if you've been searching for the ultimate box to give executives, you want to give something to your husband, you want to give probably someone in the government that's in a high position, then this particular box we're about to review today is for you. So without further ado, now let's jump into each and every item in this particular box. Voila! Right now, this box is already open in front of me, and obviously the first thing you can see is this journal right here. You can also see this bottle right here. However, all of these ones, you can see they are still in the boxes that are inside the larger box, right? So let's first talk about this particular journal. As you guys can see, the leather of the outer part of this journal is quite great, and just talking from the leather, you can also see right here the Alex Varga branding. And you guys already know what Alex Varga is, right? It is a designer for corporate gift items. If you guys are giving Alex Varga, that means you guys are saying your company is luxurious. You guys are saying your company understands the meaning of quality. You guys are saying that you appreciate your clients, and you guys are saying that you guys are worthy of the business that you are getting from your clients. So you guys, as you guys can see right now, this particular Alex Varga journal is looking very wonderful. It's black, it has the brown leaves right there. This particular leather also has spaces for your cards. If you want to put some cards here, you want to put some notes here as well. This is a very lovely one. I myself, I'm thinking of getting it. Who's gonna gift me something like this? Huh? If you give me something like this, comment below in the comment section. Let me just hear from you guys that are watching us right here at the Print Haven. So that being said, let me keep this aside and jump into obviously the bottle. You guys can see the bottle right here. It's quite large. I would say it's going to hold over 100 milliliters, I believe, of water, and keep it either hot or cold. It's going to keep it exactly the way it should be right here. So I love this bottle. I like it. Stainless steel right there. Really good, really nice. Now let's jump into this packaged boxes right here. As you guys can see, we have the earbuds right here actually. So these earbuds are unique. Look at that black matte finish right there. So sleek, so wonderful. You have the Alex Varga, branding right here as well. And remember, we can personalize your name or your company name or your company logo on all of these items. Wow, this is wonderful. So as you can see the earbuds right here, you can see each and every piece of the earbuds. These are original, as good as your Apple, as good as your JBL, as good as your best earbuds out there. So this is the Alex Varga casing for the earbuds. So we'll jump into the next item. The next item right here, wonderful finish with the Alex Varga branding, if I do say so myself, right? So wow, it's giving quality, it's giving luxury, it's giving high end. So if you know that is what your company and your business is all about, then you guys should invest in these corporate gifts for your clients. Look at that Alex Varga logo right there on the speaker. Such a wonderful product right here. As you guys can see, also has that handle you can hold right there if you're walking around with the speaker. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker right here. Let's just switch it on over here. That sounds wonderful even to my ears. So you guys, this is what is also available inside this particular Alex Varga gift box right here. You guys can also see we have a pen right here as well. So this pen right here is a unique one. It also has a leather finish right there. So I'm just gonna pop it out. Look at that right here. It's a silver and black pen. Look at that, so unique. If you have a nice suit, this is gonna go, with that suit. If you just put the pen right there, on your lapel right there, it's going to be amazing. So you guys, this is a ultimate corporate gift. You can give any executive, you can give any businessman, you can give anyone that is in high status, or any elite person like your uncle, your mentor, pastors, anybody that you feel deserves of high-end gift from you. This is the luxurious type of gift that you should be thinking about giving them. Until next time, my name is Enny, this is the Prince Haven, and this is the Alex Varga box review, and I will catch you later in our next YouTube video. Take care and bye-bye.